This is the Insta360 X3, and in this video I'm going to give you 5 essential tips for getting great results. Now I'm using the X3, but these 5 tips will work for any Insta360 camera. Okay, so tip number 1, compose your shot so that the Invisible Selfie Stick's shadow doesn't appear in shot. This can be quite tricky because you always want to film with the light source, which is usually the sun, facing you to get the best quality results. But that often means your Invisible Selfie Stick is going to cast a shadow. What I try to do to avoid this is to select a different camera angle, maybe shoot from above or below, so that that shadow isn't visible in the shot. Tip number 2, if you're shooting a tiny planet, choose a place where you've got a lot of wide open space around you, and try to avoid being too close to tall buildings, as this can mess up the effect. A tiny planet looks cool if you've got cool things of interest around you, but as long as they're not too tall and as long as they're not too close to you. Back to the Invisible Selfie Stick again. While the flow state stabilization in Insta360 cameras is excellent, with the Invisible Selfie Stick fully extended, you can get this bounce if you're walking along with it. So try to hold the Invisible Selfie Stick as steady as possible, or maybe don't extend it fully. Tip number 4, try to hold the Invisible Selfie Stick so that it's not obvious that you're holding something. Maybe put a coat over your arm or carry a bag, or if you're with a partner, hold hands or link arms. Your shots are going to look much better if it's not obvious that you're holding something. Finally, tip number 5, it's boring but it's absolutely essential. Keep those lenses clean. All Insta360 cameras come with a microfiber cloth. Keep that in the case whenever you take it out, and whenever you're about to start shooting, give those lenses a quick clean. It takes seconds, but it can be the difference between getting great footage or something that's unusable and you've got to go back and reshoot. If you want to grab an X3 for yourself, there's a link in the description where you can get one at the best price with super fast delivery, and if you buy using our link, you get an Invisible Selfie Stick free. Thanks for watching, see you next time.